I'm in a 2023 Mazda CX50. This is how you replace your cabin filter. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the glove box. Gonna see there's like a little panel here. I'm gonna pull that out. It makes life a lot easier. Bismillah. All right, now here's the annoying part. I don't know why Mazda did this, but we've got these little tabs. Push back, push back, push back, push back. So there's 4 of them. And then on this one, I'm going to try to do it with one hand. But you have to push back and like pull down at the same time. There you go. And we're out. And that is your cabin air filter. I'm going to go ahead. 1, 2. Pinch it. And that should come out. It's supposed to come out. Hope I didn't break nothing there. Ooh. There it is. Here's the cabin air filter. It's not super dirty, but it does smell bad. That's why I'm replacing it. So you just take the new one, put it in, and just reverse the process, and you're done.